Starting a mentorship program is the easy part. The pairings get made in a burst of good intentions, and 3 months later, nobody can say which are still meeting, what anyone is working toward, or whether the whole thing is worth running again. The Mentorship-Program Tracker is the fix. One owned file to run the program, so it doesn't quietly drift away. It starts on the Pairings tab, the matching board. One row for each pairing, mentor-mentee, focus area, a start date, how often they mean to meet, and a status. That short pairing label in the first column is the key everything else points back to. So the whole program hangs together from one place. Then the Goals tab turns good intentions into something you can actually track. Every goal gets a focus area, a plain definition of done, and a target date. So Grow as a Leader becomes Run the Monday stand-up solo for a month. Keep it to 2 or 3 sharp goals a pairing, and the numbers stay honest. The session log is the written trail. Log each meeting as it happens, what you discussed, what you agreed, and whether it was held, rescheduled, or missed. Only held sessions count toward the program, so the log tells the truth even when the calendar is optimistic. And this is the part that saves programs. Almost every pairing that fails just goes quiet. A rescheduled session, then a skipped one, then a month. Set a target cadence, and the dashboard flags the pairing slipping past it, on track, due soon, or overdue. You send one short nudge to the 2 or 3 that need it each week. That 5-minute habit saves more pairings than any launch event. Sooner or later, someone asks the fair question, is this worth it? The dashboard answers, not with a feeling, but with numbers you can stand behind. Sessions held, goal completion, cadence health, and satisfaction for every pairing and across the whole program. It calculates for you. You never type in it. And when a new pair sits down and doesn't know where to start, the Focus Library is a menu of mentorship focus areas by theme: career growth, leadership, communication, confidence, each with ready-made goals and a prompt to open the very first session. A blank spreadsheet is free, but you build the whole thing yourself. A per-seat mentoring platform rents your program's data back to you every month. This sits in between, a structured file you own outright in Excel, Google Sheets, or LibreOffice. No seats and no subscription. Find the Mentorship Program Tracker at Ardent Workshop. Run your program from a file you own.